In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Clawdbot on an Ubuntu virtual machine and keep it running 24/7. We'll start by creating a virtual computer using VirtualBox or VMware. When you make a new VM, choose Ubuntu 22.04 LTS as the operating system. Give it one CPU core, between 1 and 2 gigabytes of RAM, and a 10 gigabyte virtual disk. For networking, select NAT so the VM can access the internet through your host machine without extra configuration. Start the VM and complete the Ubuntu installation as you normally would. Once you're at the Ubuntu desktop, open the terminal. First, update the system so everything is current. Run sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade .y. This refreshes package lists and installs the latest updates, which helps avoid dependency issues later. Next, install node.js, which Clawdbot needs to run, along with npm the node package manager. Use the node source LTS setup to get a reliable version. Run curl fssl https debi.nodesource setup/lts x sudo ebash and then sudo apt install.ynodejs. Verify the installation with node -v and npm -v. Seeing version numbers confirms it worked. Now install git with sudo apt install git.y. Git lets you download the Clawdbot code directly into the VM. Download Clawdbot by cloning your repository link. Run git clone your Clawdbot repo link, then move into the project folder with cd Clawdbot. Inside the folder, install the project dependencies by running npm install. This reads the project configuration and pulls down everything it needs. Next, add your Discord bot token so the bot can authenticate. Open the configuration file the project expects. You can use nano.env or nanoconfig.json depending on the repository setup. Paste your token where required by that file's format, then press Ctrl+X, choose Y to save, and press Enter to confirm. Be sure not to share this token publicly. You can now start Clawdbot by running nodeindex.js. If everything is set correctly, the bot should come online in your Discord server. To keep the bot running 24/7 and auto restart on crashes or reboots, install PM2 globally with sudo npm. Install pm2g. Start the bot under PM2 using pm2 startindex.js. Name Clawdbot, then run pm2 save to persist the process list. Finally, run pm2 startup and copy and paste the command pm2 shows to enable startup at boot. This ensures your bot launches automatically whenever the VM starts. At this point, Clawdbot is running inside your virtual computer. It's online around the clock and it has auto restart enabled.